Hey everyone, if you're looking to launch your own professional trading website, then this video is for you. We are providing a complete trading platform with a premium design inspired by Binance, built to deliver a smooth and modern user experience across all devices. This platform includes all major trading features such as spot trading, futures trading, P2P trading, bundle trades, real-time charts, wallet systems, deposit and withdrawal options, KYC verification, user management, and much more. Everything is fully manageable through a powerful admin panel, giving you complete control over users, transactions, settings, content, and platform operations from one place. The website is fully mobile responsive, meaning it works smoothly on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices without any issues. Every section is properly designed and functional, from chart integration and trading interface to profile settings and security options. What makes this platform different is that it combines premium UI design with full back-end functionality. Most designs available in the current market are either visually outdated or missing essential features, but this system is built as a complete solution. If you are serious about starting your own trading business, crypto exchange, or brokerage platform, this can save you a huge amount of development time and cost. Watch the full video to see all features in action, and if you're interested, contact details are available below.